Understanding Replace Your Razor, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in English, replace your razor. This might sound straightforward, but it's packed with meaning and cultural context. Let's dive in and understand every aspect of this phrase. Replace your razor is a phrase that, at its core, means changing your old razor for a new one. But why is this important? A razor is a tool used for shaving, which is cutting off hair close to the skin, usually on the face or body. Over time, razors become dull and less effective, leading to the need for replacement. In English, the word replace signifies the act of taking something out and putting something new in its place. In many English-speaking cultures, maintaining personal hygiene and grooming is highly valued. This phrase is often heard in advertisements and daily conversations, reflecting the importance of personal care. It's not just about the act of replacing a razor, it's about maintaining a clean, neat appearance. The phrase can be used literally or figuratively. Literally, it refers to the actual action of changing a razor. Figuratively, it can be used to talk about updating or refreshing other things in life. For example, it's time to replace your razor could metaphorically mean it's time to refresh or change something in your life that has become dull or ineffective. Let's look at some examples. 1. Literal use. My shave wasn't very smooth this morning. I think I need to replace my razor. 2. Figurative use. You've been using the same old methods for years. It's time to replace your razor and try something new. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, replace your razor, in both its literal and figurative senses. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the culture and context they are used in. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.